In today's fast-paced project environments, the ability to stay connected and productive is often seen as paramount. Project management tools have become central to how teams organize, collaborate, and execute their work. Among these tools is Nifty, a platform that aims to be an all-in-one hub for project management. As a project management expert, I understand the critical need for tools that offer flexibility, especially when internet connectivity is unreliable or non-existent. This video will delve into whether Nifty can be effectively used offline, exploring its capabilities and limitations from a practical project management standpoint. Understanding the need for offline access in project management. Before we specifically address Nifty, it's essential to understand why offline access is a significant consideration for project management software. Project teams often work in diverse environments. Some team members might be in remote locations with poor internet infrastructure, while others might be on the move, traveling for client meetings or site visits where connectivity is intermittent. In such scenarios, a project management tool that relies solely on an internet connection can become a bottleneck, hindering productivity and disrupting workflows. Imagine a construction project manager on a site with limited internet access needing to update task progress or access crucial documents. Or consider a marketing team member traveling to a rural area for a campaign launch who needs to review project timelines and communicate with the team. In these real-world scenarios, the inability to access and update project information offline can lead to delays, errors, and a breakdown in communication. Furthermore, data security and privacy are also factors that drive the need for offline capabilities. Some organizations, especially those dealing with sensitive information, might prefer to store and work on project data locally to maintain greater control over security protocols. Nifty, an overview of features. Nifty is designed as a comprehensive project management platform, offering a range of features aimed at streamlining project workflows. These typically include task management, creating, assigning, and tracking tasks with deadlines, priorities, and dependencies. Project planning and scheduling, utilizing Gantt charts, timelines, and calendars to visualize project progress and plan activities. Collaboration tools, enabling team communication through discussions, chat, and file sharing. Document management, storing, sharing, and collaborating on project-related documents. Time tracking, monitoring the time spent on tasks for better resource allocation and billing. Reporting and analytics, providing insights into project progress, team performance, and resource utilization. Goals and milestones, setting and tracking project objectives and key achievements. These features are generally accessed through web browsers and mobile applications, indicating a primary reliance on internet connectivity for real-time data synchronization and access. Does Nifty offer offline capabilities? Based on available information, Nifty is primarily a cloud-based platform. This means that its core functionality is designed to operate with an active internet connection, allowing for real-time collaboration and data synchronization across all team members and devices. However, Nifty does offer mobile applications for both iOS and Android, as well as desktop applications for Mac and Windows. These applications can sometimes provide a degree of offline access to certain features. For instance, users might be able to view previously loaded data or continue working on certain tasks with the expectation that changes will be synced once an internet connection is reestablished. To get a definitive understanding of Nifty's offline capabilities, we need to consider the following aspects. Data accessibility. Can users access project information, tasks, documents, schedules when they are not connected to the internet? Functionality. Which features of Nifty remain usable in an offline mode? Can tasks be updated, documents viewed or edited, or progress tracked without an internet connection? Synchronization. How seamlessly and reliably does Nifty synchronize offline changes once an internet connection is restored? Are there any risks of data loss or conflicts? While Nifty's website highlights the availability of mobile and desktop apps for on-the-go management, it doesn't explicitly detail the extent of offline functionality. Often, cloud-based applications with offline modes allow users to view cached data and make limited changes, which are then synced when online. The sophistication of this offline mode can vary significantly between different platforms. Project management implications of limited offline access in Nifty. If Nifty's offline capabilities are limited, this can have several implications for project managers and teams. Dependency on connectivity. Projects in areas with poor or no internet access might face significant challenges in using Nifty effectively. This could necessitate alternative methods for tracking progress and communication in offline periods, leading to potential data silos and inefficiencies. Real-time collaboration bottleneck. The benefits of real-time collaboration, a key selling point for many cloud-based tools, would be diminished for team members working offline. Updates and feedback might be delayed until connectivity is restored. Potential for data inconsistencies. If multiple team members work offline and make changes that are synced later, there's a risk of data conflicts or inconsistencies if the platform doesn't handle merging these changes effectively. Impact on time-sensitive tasks. For projects with tight deadlines or tasks requiring immediate updates, the inability to use Nifty offline could lead to delays and missed opportunities.